Hey guys, welcome to day 12 of Everything is Cancelled. Yes. It's 11:04 and I've finally decided it's time to do something with my life on this Saturday morning. Yeah. Okay guys, I am ready for a day of cleaning up this mess. Woo! So as always, I'm gonna do a before look. Then at the end you'll get like what it looks like at the end of the day after cleaning it. Yeah. So you got this. You got the unmade bed. You got this. And you got this. Bed media. Ah, perfect. Boredom is really taking over. Also, it was too hot to clean out a jumper, so. Taking the trash out. So guys, I just got the vacuum out and I'm going to vacuum one part of my floor before I put everything back down on it, just because the floor is pretty gross. And I'm going to vacuum this whole section. So you see I took everything from under my desk that's on the ground level. You know, everything is over there. I'm good.
Have you got it right?
So this is what this part of the room looks like, completely cleaned. Second time taking the trash out. So everything off the floor has been removed. It's on my bed. The shoes are out the door. And it's time to vacuum all the floor. Now I'm going to be tackling another thing. Yes, I know my bed is still heaps a mess, but I'm going to tackle in here because see, this is all very unorganized, and actually a lot of the stuff that is on my bed needs to be in here. Like there's a fair bit of makeup and stuff, so I'm going to tackle this area and make that all organized, and then hopefully there'll be only a few things left on my bed, but I just have to find where they go. But then my whole room is clean. Whoa! That's fully clean. Those ones, we're not talking about it. And this one has everything in it that it needs to have in it. And it's done. It's sorted. And this is the bed situation. Alrighty, it's 4 o'clock and I'm going to show you guys where I'm up to with the whole cleaning process. Yeah. Okay, so here it's still 100% clean. Mess. Here, the bows I got added because I want to do something on the wall there with all the bows. And here it's still clean. Up there's still clean. And if I turn around, we've got that one that's organized, that one that's organized, and that one. So we only have the top one and this one left to do. Okay guys, I had a bit of a break of cleaning and I watched The Hunger Games, Catching Fire, and had dinner, and then I came back and cleaned and I just kicked my foot on my boot. Ow! So I'll show you the progress I made. It's only very little because I had such a big break. So this is the pile that's on my bed. And every single one of them is full. Now, I know this one just has like plushies and stuff, but it's because I knew if I put anything up there, it wouldn't get touched. Because I know all the stuff that's here that was up there, like this soap thing, hasn't been touched. So, yeah. Okay, I'm blocking outside my room because Riley's in my room and I don't want him judging me. So I've decided to just walk out. Because yeah. I'm gonna show you my room now. Yeah. Asshole.
How am I an asshole? You put me on mute, you bitch.
I did put you on mute, you bitch. Okay, go.
Maddie's a salty bitch and doesn't understand the concept of FaceTime. She always puts me on the roof. She always puts her camera on the roof, or is doing things on her other phone. But when I can actually see her face,